Hi there, I am Gabriel Waltman and I am developing my abilities to Java and implement this in my portfolio. It is a simple portfolio with Next and JavaScript, and I want to create a backend to implement my certifications and my jobs in make a simple CRUD to create, read, update and delete these informations using Java. How I am a JavaScript developer, I want to build a new update with Java, so I need to learn the basics of this language and how use this in a backend. I am following this roadmap. If you all have a suggestion from how I can learn about Java, please comment below. Today I want to learn about loops and learning about exceptions. Alright, let's read in the first topic, Java for looping. Looping in Java are a fundamental control structure used to repeat a block of code a specific number of times, iterate through a sequence of values. They are incredible, useful for tasks that require repetitions, such as processing items in an array, generating repetitive output, or executing a block of code a predetermined number of times. The Java for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iterations fixed, it is recommended to use for loop. Simple for loop, for each, for entries of loop, labeled for loops. Alright, initialization, conditional increment statement. Alright, let's see this diagram. Initialization, condition, false, true, statement, increment, decrement. Alright, file name of, for example, .java, and main. Alright, for int. Alright, let's try it in my main file. I already have some codes. Let's comment that and let's create a for. Let's try it for int e equals 0. Let's make a log into 9 times e plus plus. Alright, let's see, it will print. Let's see. Alright, it is strange. Is 9 times don't work because conditional always true. Oh no, is a e no one. Alright, now it's correct. Let's see that. Alright, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's a simple. I can already see in JavaScript. The one thing is that will change the syntax. Alright, if Java nested for loop. If you have a for loop inside the other loop, it is now a nested for loop. The inner loop executes completely the never older loop executes the structure always to perform complex items and iterate by running a for loop for each iteration. Alright, let's create a new for. Let's create a for. I can make a shortcut. Oh, alright. Now this will make for each iteration. It will print 2 times system J. Alright, let's see. Let's make identifier 1 loop plus, let's replace it by a double quotes, and let's include 2 loop, include a plus and run again. Let's see that it's rerunning. Alright, now it's correct. Alright, 1 2 2 1 2 2 1. Alright, that's working. Alright, output, let's see, file name pyramid example 2. Oh, this is cool. Let's try it. Int term, print term. Alright, print ln new line. Alright, print out. Let's see that. System out print. System out print. Let's print dot and let's remove that. Let's move print ln in other line, and let's see the pyramid. Oh no if this needs to be a dot. Alright, run again. Alright, this not working. Maybe int term. Oh, I understand. The term is the max of print. Let's see where is used the term in first and second. Alright, and 60 and 62 and run again. Right, maybe I need to change one thing into alright equal term. Oh, this need to be equal, don't. No, this start if the term. So let's see. Alright, this is start 6 and minus equal e. Big greater than e. Alright, let's try it. Int j term. Alright, j minus and let's try it. Now we have a pyramid. Alright, and let's try it. Java for each loop. Alright, for data type variable array name. Oh, we can use a for a array, and so let's try it. Int numbers save array. Int array, maybe what is the type? Array. Alright, int array. Int array numbers is 0, 1. Alright, thanks Codium for, let's see, int e two numbers, in system out print ln. Run again. Alright, we have numbers. Let's change it to names and replace it for person 1, person 2. Oh, it don't work. Alright. Int, string. This need to be a string. Names. We show the string. Alright, this will show the content and not the index. Shift FD person 1, 2, 3. Alright, output labeled for loop. Alright, a labeled for loop in Java is for loop that has been assigned a label. Label in Java provides a way to identify a block of code, making it possible to break out of the continue and other loop for within a nested loop. This feature is particularly useful than working with nested loops, and we need to control the flow of the other loop. For inner loop labels and the control flow in a complex looping structure, allowing for more precise and flexible loops management. We can have a name of each Java for loop. To do, we need a label buffer. The for loop, it is useful while using the instead of loop, as we can break continuous specific. Alright, the syntax label name for initialization condition increment decrement code be executed labeled, for example for bb4. Alright, AA. Oh, this first name is, let's see, for name string array job is received. Alright, oh, this is a new for me. Name is length, new string. Alright, the job is, name is for, let's make a for each, and name is dot length, and let's see again. Let's move that inside and close this block. Alright, name is and jobs for system print ln. Maybe this will not work because I have names from a lot of peoples, and for a lot of jobs of a lot of people. Alright, let's see what you show for me. Person 3 is a designer. Person 3 is a manager. Person 3, alright. With, alright, continuous names, alright. Equal, alright, let's see that. Process finished. Alright, continuous with E equal E. Let's print. Alright, this is a developer, is a designer, is a manager. So we have a for each person or each character. Alright, we have the for the first person. Alright, E, that's is a index. The index starts as 0, or maybe we can index person while the index person is smaller than names that dot length, make index person plus plus. And let's get the index job. For index job, this will run while the index jobs is small than jobs length in plus plus index job, while with index job is equal index person, this will show the names on position index job. I mean names on position index person in the job list in the index job. And let's see what you will return. If I return the index person -1, let's see that this will return the second person and third person, because the first person is in the 0 position and developer will in the first position, in the 0 position. So if we reduce index person, so the person 1 will be 0 and index person will be -1, because you have 0 and reduce 1, this will be -1. And so we have an index job. If I return, I calc if -1 for index job 2, this will work for the 3 persons, because I reduce in both and not only in a single array. Alright, so let's see what the article is saying. Java infinite for looping. Infinite for looping is looping that's on termination conditionals. Oh, my notebook already stopping work because infinity looping. Java for looping versus while loop versus do while. Alright, introduction, then using. For loop with the number of iterations fixed is recommended to use for looping. While loop, if the number of iterations is not fixed, it is recommended to use while loop. Do while loop if the number of iterations is not fixed, and you must have to execute the loop at least once. This is recommended to use the do while loop. What is the list? Let's see. Alright, and list once. Let's see this. Oh, I understand. If I need run one single list once, and I don't need run more bases. Let me see how I say that. Only. Alright, so if I need make a loop that will run one single once, and that will make a loop in an array that can be empty or a lot of items, the do while loop will be useful, while the for loop is more recommended because you have a list of users. You can make a code to run in each user, but you don't need to run only once. only. Sorry, my English is bad. I need to improve that. So, finishing this topic, I need to learn more about loops, but for now, while I am not making the complex application, this is not necessary deep learning. Alright, let's see, let's update first the stats, and let's get this topic, exception handling. Let's see, we have 23 minutes of this video. I can see this topic and maybe data structure, but let's focus on this topic. If we have time, we will see this topic. Alright, understanding Java exception handling in Java. Let's see this article. Alright, and let's see this other article, mastering Java exception handling, a comprehensive guide. Alright, this is a paid article. Alright, let's see a free. Alright, the funny that is a free resource, but this is a paid article. Alright, this is a paid article. Sorry if I have a truck that is on the street. Alright, let's see the article. The exception handling in Java is one of the full mechanism to run errors so that the normal flow of the applications can be maintained. In this section, we will learn about Java exception, these types, and the difference between checked and checked exception. What is an exception in Java? Alright, this is a error, basically. What is an exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle all manner. Sorry, this structure is very very strange. Exception handling a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, EO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Alright, advantages of the exception handling. The core advantage of the exception handling two normal flows of the application. Exception normally disrupts the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle exception. Let's consider scenarios. Statement 1, statement 2, 3, 4, 5, exception occurs. 6, 7, 8, 9, then. Hierarchy of Java exception classes. Alright, throwable exception error, stack overflow error, virtual machine error, root of memory error, exception, EO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception, algorithm exception, types of Java exceptions, and checked exception, unchecked exception, errors. Checked exceptions are the exceptions that are checked at compile time. This means that the compiler verifies that the code handles choose exceptions entered by caching them or declaring them in a method signature using the trophy keyword. Example of the checked exceptions include the IO, SQL, parse, class, alright. Unchecked exception, runtime exception, unchecked exception, ASO knows run exception are not checked in the compile time. Choose exception usually occurs thus to programming errors such as logic errors or incorrect assumptions in the code. They do not need to be declared in the method signature using the throws keywords, making it optional to run them. Examples of unchecked exception include null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception, algorithms exceptions, illegal arguments exceptions, errors. Errors represent exceptions, conditionals that are not expected to be caught under normal circumstances. They are typically caused by issues outside the control of the application, such as system features or resources. Exceptions errors are not means to be caught or handled by application code. Example of the errors include out of memory errors. It occurs then the Java virtual machine cannot allocate enough memory for the application. Stack overflow errors. It is true then the stack memory is exhausted due to excessive recursion. No class def found the error. It indicates that the virtual machine cannot find the definition of the class that was available at the compile time. Difference between checked and unchecked exceptions. Checked Check the exception as exception compile time by the Java compiler. This means that the compiler ensures that these exceptions are entered, counting, or declared in the match signatures using the truth keywords. Example of the checked exceptions include the IO exception, SQL exception, parse exceptions, forced handling, checking exception, forced explicit handling either by caching them or declaring them to be true. This helps improving code reliability or robustness. Alright, unchecked exceptions, runtime exceptions. Not checked in the compile time, unlike the checked exception. Unchecked exceptions are not checked in the compile time. This means that the compiler not enforcing handling of unchecked exceptions. Runtime errors, unchecked often representing programming errors, unexpected conditions during runtime, such as no reference errors. Alright. The try-catch block, this I already know of the Java script. The finally block, alright, handle example, int data. Oh, this is basic. Try divide something for 0. Let's comment that, let's see that. Will return an error. A Java interface not expected. Oh, this is an exception. We already have a block to close this block. Alright, run again. Rest of the code, algorithm exception by 0. Alright, and let's try the next scenario where algorithm exceptions occurs. Algorithm exception. Alright, maybe this will be a algorithm error because I can make a int receive how I can make a input. No input Java. Input Java. Java user input. New scanner. No, I went dialog input maybe. Dialog input. J option pane. Alright. Show input dialog. Alright. J option pane dot show input dialog. Enter a number. Is a string. Alright. Int no receive a integer parse no. Alright. No input. Let's no input. Alright. And let's system out println. Alright, let's see the message. System dot out hello world. No, I went int no, none, receive 0, none, number, receive a number. Alright, we can update the number. Right, let's see. This will ask a number. I will enter a number. This will run the result number 4 in the input. Let's show the input. Let's see no input. Alright, but if I enter a text, this will make a error and for int t. Alright, this not get the error. Let's see again. Let's see. Alright, the system and this finally alright, and let's move back to inside the finally block and let's show change number format exception. Now it will work. Let's try it. Alright, number 0, 0. If I enter a number, this will work normally. Alright, so this exception is acknowledge a scenario or null pointer exception or covers string no system length null pointer exception. Oh, if I try it, this will return a pointer exception. Alright, a scenario where numbers format exception occurs. Well, these all scenarios we can see and learn each scenario, but in most cases, basically, we can have an error. Let's force a error here. This will show on our screen, our console, alright, and we can get this error, alright, no number format exception. Copy that and paste on the Google to see the result or the possible solution. Alright, so see all error type is not necessary for now. So we already have this article. I can watch this video, but I already have some notion. Sorry, is notion or idea is a better word. So I already have better some ideas about what is a error and how to fix and handle these errors. I can learn while I am developing it. Alright, so let's check this as closed. We have 49 minutes of this video. 39 minutes. Let's see data structure, and as the name indicates itself, a data structure is a way of organizing the data in the memory so that it can be used efficiently. Some common data structures are array, linked lists like hash table, quick tree, heap, and graphic. Array allocates continuous memory for homogeneous data. Linked list stores data in nodes with references. Slack following last in first out principles. Quick followings first in first out principle. Visit the followings to learn more. Datastructure, alright, tutorial. And we have a video, Java DSA interview preparation course. Oh, this is long. And we have data structure illustrated. Let's see something illustrated for today. Alright, let's watch this video. Let's get this. I am getting my dots. I have a dot here, so it is from the AliExpress. It's not a Apple dots, right? Let's see. Let's reset, improve the quality. Alright, see that. Alright. Alright, we have multiple different kinds of data structure. So, array, list, tree, hash tables are all these different kinds of data structure. Alright, so each type of representation is a specific properties and parents and methods. Alright, in JavaScript we have only array, but I already see that in the Java is a bit different because this has arrays, linked lists, hash tables. So this is on real. This is a basic. The fundamental about the computation, science computation. Alright, if you want to store data in somewhere, you need use array, use a list, use a database. Without it, you can store. You can store, but in other cases, but it's more difficult, not scalable. Alright, so let's see what this video will show for now. Alright. Alright, this have array. Alright, short, clean, precise, and happy to make explanation. I wish you could have trophy me then until university. Alright, maybe this have a playlist. Alright, data structures illustrated. Because it don't put the playlist on this website, we can see the next video. Arrays. Let's see the arrays. Alright. Alright. Arrays, collection of items stored consecutively in the memory. Alright. Alright. Sometime, alright. Fix the size. Alright. Char. Oh. Java can set as a char? I think no. Let's try it. Let's comment that and let's char array as a names receive. Oh. Names length. Alright, we can create an array using char in Java. This is now from in JavaScript we have only string. Alright, values. Alright, we can have mixed types. Alright, mixed array. Alright, fixed inside can't. Alright, try to add 3 slots for array. Alright. Alright, with the max data types, data types. Alright, so Java will always define your array length because you need select a space on the memory to allocate that data. If you have say what is the length of that array, it will be put in a memory space or it will not be is necessary fixed space, right? You cannot put in a small place, alright? You need a minimal space to allocate. Let's think in an array of then items. If you have not a space of then space, right? It is only an example. Maybe can be stored in a space a lot of items, but we can store name, a number, a string, a boolean in a single space. So if you have a space of 8 in the memory, but your array has 10 items, you can store in a block of 18 spaces only. You need a space with minimal of them, alright? One byte, alright? So one char is a byte, the boolean is a 2 bytes. Oh, this is really sense because you have the turn off, turn one, and you can have true, false, black, white, and turn on, turn off, and a lot of double states, alright? Alright, 1 byte. Numbers 4, 9, 6. Alright, 4, 9, 6. Alright. Each item will occupy. Alright, for mixed string true. Alright, 1 first, second. Sometimes on the single array you have a single type. You can have a string with an int with a boolean because you need research for a value you can find efficiently because you need to read the int after string and after a boolean. Right. Boolean. Let's see again to complete understand. I'm not understand for complete why this can be used with different types. 2 bytes, a string of 3 characters, which will take 3 bytes. Boolean will take 1 byte. Alright. Oh, I understand. So in some cases you need to read 2 bytes. In other cases you need read a single byte, and the machine is not intelligent to know uh, what how much bytes it is necessary to get the value. Maybe this can be 3 bytes to get the BMW, or it is necessary 2 to get the 4, and or maybe 1 single byte to get a border. Oh, now I understand. Sorry if I don't know how explanation this. His explanation very well. Now I have understand, but for me, explain a complex topic as this is very hard. Alright. Alright, dynamic areas. Alright. Arrays in JavaScript. Oh, so this will try include in the next space, but it has not bytes to allocate. This will research a new memory space to allocate the old array plus the new value. Oh, now I understand that. Three bytes, 1 byte. No. So this is not efficiently alright, because you need get the maximum size to research always and research only it in as a boolean that is most fast research 1 byte, then 3 bytes, so you can research the first and get the number then, but will read the 3 bytes. Alright, and you can be you know the program needs read only 2 bytes to find the number, but to BMW the system needs read 3 bytes, but the program needs read 1 byte only. So if we make a mix, you need always researches by 3 bytes to research the byte, to research the 2 bytes, 3 bytes, any bytes, alright? Comment below if it makes sense for you. in my brain this is make sense, but maybe is making nothing sense. Alright. Oh, I understand. So to the system research value, this will always allocate the maximum value, maximum number of bytes to all value. If it is a true, we will allocate 3 bytes. If it is a string, we will allocate 3 bytes. It is a number, it will allocate 3 bytes. So it will use a lot of memory, and to research backward this will be faster, I think, but will use a lot of memory. Alright. Oh, now here is using JavaScript. Alright. The basic to research a number, a value. Alright. Big O. Alright, this I already have a simple understand. It is the numbers of operations. So you set the index, it will research on the exact index. If don't have an index, this need research the item. That is will be all any items to research item or other using other strategies as binary search. I remember binary searches can be more faster than all any researches, but it will study in other moment. Alright. Insert an index. Alright. Insert. Alright. ON. Alright. We'll remove ON. Because for each item this need move. If let's say the item that will be removed will be the 6 value, and If you remove the 6, the third space is empty, so the 2 needs occupies the third position, but the 4 position is empty, so the 5 value position will be moved for the 4 and the 6 for 5, and next. So we'll make a lot of changes on the story to delete that or update. Alright, replace 1 0 1 no 0, we'll need 1 execution. Search rm. Alright, for now we are ready what in these videos ahead that structures we need to see about next is data structures lists and data tables, other things, but for now is that. If you like, please make a like, and if you have a suggestion or a tip, please comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.